Hey everyone, welcome back to my Dev Web App channel. Today I'll build a to-do list app in React using GitHub Copilot AI Assistant. Let's take a look at the design. As you can see, I have a header, an input, and a button. And now I can add a new task and let it be task 1 and press add. And also I can add task 2 and task 3. And now I can remove task 2 by pressing the remove button and also task 3. And let me add task 4 and also task 5. And now let's go to the code and build our application. I launched my Visual Studio Code and open folder where I store my React projects. And now I can go to extensions. And as you can see, I have GitHub Copilot extension, Visual Studio Code extension, and also I have GitHub Copilot chat. And you can add these extensions to your Visual Studio Code and connect to your GitHub account, and you can use free version. Okay, and let me close this Copilot and go to new terminal. And now I can create new project with command and npm create vite at latest. And I can provide project name and let it be to do list AI and select React, JavaScript. And now I can go to my folder with cd command and install dependencies with command npm install. And now we can run project with command npm run dev and open it in browser. And we have some auto-generated code and we see some app. Okay, and let me open source files and go to app.jsx. I can hide this console. And first of all, I'm going to create folder components. And we'll add my first component, and it will be to do list.jsx. As you can see, I have a hint that I can press Ctrl I to ask Copilot, and I'm going to press Ctrl I and ask Copilot to provide me code for my to-do list component. And I'll ask, can you please provide code for to do list component in React.js. And let's see. Okay, and as you can see, we have some code, and we can review this code and accept it. Okay, and we have some component, and now we can go to app.jsx, and I'm going to clean up all this auto-generated code, and also we don't need this imports, and let me import my component. I need to save it, and now I can import to-do list. Now I can add my component to application, and I'll just add it here. Okay, and now we can check. And as you can see, we have to-do list, and we can add some tasks like 1, 2, 3, and also we can remove. So we have our functionality, and we need to add styles. Okay, and first of all, I'm going to clean up styles. I'll remove these existing styles and change place items to justify content. Also, we'll remove the styles for H1 button and also here. Okay, and we can remove styles from app CSS as well. I'll leave only styles for root element, and let's see. And as you can see, we have our component at the top, and we can change this title And let's go to index.html and provide some meaningful title like to-do list app. Let's save and check. And as you can see, we have our title here. And let's go back to our component. And now I'm going to add some styles. Let me press Ctrl I and ask Copilot, can you provide styles to my component? Okay, and let's see. Okay, and it suggests to import to-do list CSS. I would like to use CSS modulus, and let's ask Copilot, can we use CSS modulus? And let's see. Okay, and it suggests to import styles from to-do list module CSS, and I'm going to add this file to components. And let me add this file. And here I'm going to accept, and we don't need this import. And we need to provide code for our to-do list modulus, and let's ask Copilot, and can you provide CSS modulus styles for to-do list component. Let's try this way, and let's wait. Okay, and as you can see, we have some styles. And okay, and I'm going just accept and save. And let's go to our to-do list component and ask Copilot, can you apply styles to our component? And let's see. Okay, it didn't do anything, and I'm going to close, and we'll probably ask it here. Ctrl I, and can you add class names using styles? Okay, and let's try this way. Okay, and as you can see, it added styles, and I can accept and save. And let's check. I'm going to refresh the page and provide some task 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we have styles for our container and also for input and button, but we don't have styles for list. And let's check. Let's check our styles, and we need to take a closer look at unordered list class names. And let's check. We have our task list, and I'm going to open styles and try to find task list. And I don't have task list, but I see I have styles for list. And let's just change the list, and also I have styles for list item. Okay, and I see here remove button, but we have styles for delete button. Okay, and let's replace it. And let's check again. Okay, and let's check our application. And as you can see, the styles are applied this time. And let's try to remove. Okay, and as you can see, also I have hovering here, and also hover pseudo class works here. And let me refresh the page and provide task 1, and I'll add it, and also task 2, and let's add task 3, and we can remove, and add several tasks, task 4, and task 5. And everything is working as expected. As you can see, we quickly added to-do list functionality with tiles. Also, we needed to make some corrections. And that's all that I have for today. If you like my video, subscribe to my Dev Web App channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.